Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make spicy honey barbecue pork. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. I also did a spicy honey barbecue chicken wings previously, so I'll leave that link in the description box below, and all my ingredients and measurements for my spicy honey barbecue pork will also be in the description box down below. So I hope you guys enjoy this wonderful, delicious recipe. Enjoy. Okay guys, so this is the ingredients for my spicy honey barbecue pork. Alright, I have my pork here. I have some all-purpose season, chicken seasoned paprika, and some black pepper. And in here I have some celery, shallots, ginger, wiri pepper, and some garlic. So I'm gonna blend this up and make my seasoning. Here goes. So my season just finished blending up. So I'm gonna put it into I'm gonna season my pork now. This is how it's looking. I'm gonna put all the seasoning into my pork. It's gonna be similar to, if you guys have watched my honey barbecue spicy chicken wings, it's a similar recipe. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put some black pepper into my pork, some smoked paprika, some all-purpose seasoning, and some chicken seasoning. And then we're gonna mix everything together. All right, if you guys want, you can leave this overnight, or you can just leave it for a few hours to marinate and get all that wonderful flavor. All right, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so my pork has been marinated for about an hour because it's the morning time. Last night I was supposed to marinate it last night, but I was so tired I just went to bed. So this is the next day. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just put some butter, like a teaspoon of butter, into my pan here, and then I'm gonna put all my pork inside. Alright, and spread them out. This pork is gonna be so good, yummy. Use my hands to get them properly. Try to not let any of them go on top of one another. Everybody stay at the bottom. Yeah, so it's good here. Alright, so we're gonna put it into the oven now for half an hour, and we'll be back. I'll show you guys now how to do my sauce. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna mix my barbecue sauce now, my honey spicy barbecue sauce. So this is the barbecue sauce in here. I have some red pepper, red hot sauce. I have some mustard hot sauce. I have some green hot sauce. and I have my honey. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is mix everything together. Oh, also I'm gonna put a little bit of brown sugar, just like half of a teaspoon or so, and then you're gonna mix it up. This is gonna be a sweet honey spicy barbecue sauce. Alright, so when my pork finish, I'm gonna put this sauce on top of my pork. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my pork just came out of the oven, so it's looking like this. It's very hot, so let me grab a towel. Yeah, so it's looking like this. So I'm going to drain out the oil, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so I just drained out all the oil. So what I'm going to do now is, actually my pork has been in the oven for about 35 minutes. First I had it on high heat, and then I put it on medium because I had to go and bathe my skin because I'm preparing to go to work. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in my barbecue sauce, my honey spicy barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna put it all over the pork, just like this. I think I have enough sauce here. I have enough. I don't have to make more. I literally had to run out the bathroom to continue this video. Oh my. So let me see. So you make sure all over your pork you have the barbecue sauce, just like this. I'm using all the barbecue sauce in the bowl. Alright, so you're gonna put it back into the oven to bake for another 20 minutes. And my honey spicy barbecue pork, I'm gonna eat it today with some Guyanese fried green plantain. Alright, so I'm gonna put this back into the oven now to bake for about 20 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so I just took my spicy honey barbecue pork out of the oven. So I'm gonna plate it now and let you guys see. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end result for my spicy honey barbecue pork with some green plantain, Guyanese green plantain. So here you go guys. Oh my god, it looks so good. You see guys? Yummy. I'm gonna try a piece and let you guys see how it is. Okay, I'm gonna try this piece here. Oh, it's so hot. Ew, oh my god, it's hot, but it just came out of the oven. All right, let me pick it up again. Gotta blow it. Oh, it's so hot. I'm gonna try it now with some plantain. Wow. Oh my god. You guys have to try this recipe. Trust me. You guys will be licking your finger. This pork is so delicious. Wow. So, I hope you guys try my recipe. I hope you guys like watching my video. don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel as well and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. And also I'd like to ask you guys to please follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Alright? And when you guys try this recipe, comment down below and tell me how you guys think it tastes, because I know this is a bomb recipe. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching and stay blessed. Bye.